What's up, XRP holders? This is a warning to everyone invested in XRP right now because we are seeing some bearish momentum, and I'm going to give you the support levels and I will show you whether XRP is still bullish or not. So first off, guys, we had this upward sloping support line since the beginning of February with multiple touch points, and also this downward sloping support since January, multiple touch points as well. So the XRP price is really getting compressed into an apex, and I would say latest by the end of the month we should see a breakout either to the upside or to the downside for XRP. Now, to remind you guys, XRP is in an uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. As you can see over here, we have higher highs, higher lows. So statistically, it is much more likely for XRP to form a new higher high anytime soon. However, in the immediate short term, as you can see, we are experiencing some bearish momentum. So I'm going to give you the support levels in a minute. But first off, guys, to be more bearish and to be more confident that XRP is indeed heading to the downside, I would need to see two things. The first thing is I need to see a major volume spike here on the lower side of the screen. This is the volume, and as you can see, volume is currently extremely low. We're not seeing any volume spike, so I would not take this current move very serious. Another thing is if we see a daily candle close, I would say below the $2 region for XRP, yet then it is maybe a sign to be a little bit more concerned in the short term. But as long as we're not closing any daily candles below the $2 zone, there's actually nothing to worry about. And let me now give you the support levels in the short term here for XRP. And I actually have to go to the 12-hourly time frame, and let me actually disable the volume, and I'm going to sketch out a Fibonacci retracement from the lowest point so far that we have seen on the 6th of April to the highest point that we have seen here on the 11th of May. And what you can see is that XRP is currently trading around the 0.382 Fibonacci level. I think I'm here on the log chart. Yes, that is the log chart. And if we see more downside for XRP, then the next area to look at is actually the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is interestingly exactly at $2, and this could be a decline of 5% from the current position. But to be very clear, I don't want to see any daily closes confirmed below $2. A wick intraday volatility, that's all fine, but we don't want to see any sustained closes with volume below $2. The next support zone for XRP around 190, and that could be a 10% decline or a shakeout here just in the immediate short term. On the bullish side, if XRP breaks, I would say the swing high from, the 15th of June at $2.32, then we have a confirmed breakout to the upside, and then I expect new all-time highs for XRP anytime soon. But in the short term, guys, watch out for the $2 zone. There is some long liquidity piling up around $2, so it is possible that price could wick to the downside to liquidate these people and then reverse rapidly back to the upside. But midterm, long term, nothing to worry about. We are still in a significant uptrend, as you can see over here. So yeah, I wouldn't be too worried about the short-term volatility. If you want to buy or trade XRP, because I'm personally building up my swing trade position on XRP, I'm scaling into my trade with low leverage, then you can do so on Phemex or BTCC or WEEX. The links are down below in the video description. Massive welcome bonuses on all of these exchanges. I would highly recommend it. Check it out if you're interested. But that was it for today, guys. For additional content, follow me over on my Instagram, link down below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another XRP update.